Hi, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an inexpensive GoDaddy domain to create a small space online to promote your apartment locating business. When you sign up for Locator IDX, you get three pre-built tools: the Locator Landing Page, Apartment Map, and Online Form. There's no website needed or complicated setup. Each tool gives you a different way to generate online leads, and all three tools open to your branded live apartment search. The easiest way to generate leads from your Locator IDX tools is by forwarding a domain from GoDaddy. One domain creates three marketing channels. Let me show you how it works. I registered the domain Locator Apartment Search, and I went ahead and forwarded the primary domain to the Locator landing page, the online form to contact.locatораpartmentsearch.com, and the apartment map to map.locatораpartmentsearch.com. With these three domains, you have many marketing options. When you want a simple homepage on a business card or email signature, use the primary domain. When the lead source is primarily mobile, like social media and text messages, use the online form. When renters want to start with location and browse apartments visually, use the apartment map. Let's go over to GoDaddy and I'll show you how easy it is to set it up. Log into GoDaddy and go to your domain portfolio and select the domain you want to use. Click DNS and go to forwarding. Forwarded domains now come with a free SSL certificate, which means your links can now use HTTPS, and they feel more trustworthy when new leads click from social media, text messages, or email. And GoDaddy now supports forwarding one domain to multiple places using subdomains. This is how we route the primary domain to the Locator landing page and create subdomains for the online form and the apartment map. Now have GoDaddy open in one tab and your Locator IDX open in another. Go to landing page, copy the link, go back to GoDaddy and paste the link here. Make sure HTTPS is selected and you're going to choose a forward type of permanent and then save. Now for the subdomains, you follow the same process. Go to your Locator IDX, go to the online form, copy the link, go back to GoDaddy. I use the subdomain contact because I thought it was easy to remember with the online form because it's a contact form. But you can use any subdomain that you want. Make sure HTTPS is selected, paste the link here, and forward type is permanent. Then go to back to Locator IDX, the apartment map, copy the link, make sure HTTPS is selected, copy your link, select permanent, and save, and then you're done. It's that easy. The only note I will make is after the forwarding is saved, the links will not work immediately. It says right here, it takes a few hours. It took GoDaddy about 2 hours to make my SSL certificate active. That's what you're waiting on. So if you set this up and the secure link does not work immediately, just give GoDaddy a couple of hours to finish activating the SSL certificate. Now, when someone visits your Instagram, they can get connected directly to your live apartment search. They click the link in your bio, fill out the form, and your live apartment search opens instantly, and they can begin to save their favorite apartments to a list. You can use your email signature to promote your primary domain, or Advertise the Dallas apartment map and that they can do an immediate search from your map. This gives every email you send a clean link where renters can start their apartment search immediately. A good domain is a small investment in your personal brand. It can go with you if you decide to change brokers. It can grow with your business and give you one consistent link to use throughout your locating career. If you already have a domain and you need help connecting it to your Locator IDX tools, we're happy to help for free. Here are the instructions for you to give us access to your GoDaddy account, and we'll be happy to connect your Locator IDX tools for you. To learn more about Locator IDX, the apartment locating software built for the client-facing side of your business, just go to locatoridx.com. Thank you.